So in this video, we're going to take a look at the JARGO ink. It's going to be better than this, hopefully. And it looks like it's working 100% perfect, even without aligning the head. So definitely happy how this came out. Okay, so this is how it prints right now. So this is the ink that we got. So this is a clone. This is just black. So these are half the price of the original. So that's the color. So that's not good. So we just press down and it comes out. So as you can see that we have been using this clone already. So now we're gonna take this and we're gonna print a label because those are the primary things. All right, so you can see that the blank ink is 100%. So now we're gonna go and see. We have not aligned the head yet. So we're just gonna see if it actually prints correctly. Maybe it won't even allow me to print. Let's see. No, it's doing something. So if it doesn't come out right, we're just gonna align the head and print again. We just want to make sure that it does better than this. So in this video, we're going to take a look at the JARGO ink. It's going to be better than this, hopefully. And it looks like it's working 100% perfect, even without aligning the head. So definitely happy how this came out. And yeah, so these do not last quite as long as the originals. You're probably going to get maybe 80% of the ink that you would on the normal one, but the cost of these is 55% cheaper than the original. So in the end, you're still saving a lot more money if you go with these guys. So thank you so much for watching.